Hi friends, thanks for stopping by the channel today. Well, so today we have a HP laptop that's not turning on. And I know these HP laptops, there are tons of reasons why they will not turn on. Could be a charging port, could be a battery, could be a charger, could be something else. But whenever you're looking at these situations, just go for the simplest thing first. For example, this is the charger. This is the HP original charger. Press your button, doesn't charge. So okay, maybe you think, okay, the battery is dead. Okay, you plug it in. First thing you plug it in, you want to make sure that there is some indicator on this LED right in the corner. It should be green if the battery is fully charged. If it's charging, you should see something like an amber LED. It should be lit up. But if there's nothing at all, then right away you are going to start suspecting that there's something going on. And I'm just covering it up to make it darker, and there's nothing. It's not lit. So immediately I'm going to suspect this charger, and I'm going to try a known good charger. Okay, so you may not have one, but I'm just telling you what's very likely. So I'm going to try a known good charger. And there, I have another machine. It's not the same model, but it's the same charger that it uses. So I plug that in. Right away it turns white, then it goes to amber. That means it's generally trying to charge the battery. Okay, so before it would not power on. So let's see if it will power on now. Press the power button. I can hear it already coming up. And look at that, it's coming on. So there goes. Now, I'm going to show you something further. And you may not be able to do this, but I just want to let you know that there is sometimes a charger can be defective and it's not 100%. There's sometimes it may charge, other times it may not charge. Okay, so I have this other HP laptop. I'm going to take the same charger that would not charge, that's no LED at all, and I'm going to plug it in my other HP laptop. Plug it in, and I actually get, you can't see it maybe, but I got an LED, and I got a white LED because it actually shows in the bottom corner there that is charging the battery. However, there's a weird noise coming from my laptop. And this is a good laptop. I know this is my personal laptop. There's no noise should be coming from it. Because if I unplug it, look at this. Hear that noise? A hissing noise? Unplug it, it stops. I put my good charger in. This charger is for this laptop. Shows that it's charging, no noise. So that's just a second, like a double check. But that tells me right there that this is garbage. So hopefully yours is as simple as that there's an issue with the charger. You replace that. Depends on the age of the laptop. Most likely I would say replace the battery also. because if the charger is dead, very likely, if you've never replaced this battery, yeah, I would say replace it also at the same time. So that's it for today. Hopefully this helped you to troubleshoot and get to the bottom of some of those pesky HP laptop. I can tell you these are some of the laptop with the most power related issue that I've come across. Some of them are very complicated. Some of them are just simple things such as this, where you can figure it out through a process of elimination. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Please remember to like, to share, and please subscribe and watch the next video. Thanks and have a great day. Bye now.